Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2020 Aprilia Tuono V4. This is Aprilia's full-size sport standard motorcycle. Has the 1100cc fuel-injected V4 engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title California bike. Bike has 3,313 miles on the odometer. This is a limited edition Misano, number 14 of 100, brought in. Bike is in great condition, lots of upgrades front to back. ABS brakes, has a forged factory wheels, factory Ohlins front fork, has an Ohlins TTX rear shock. These Aprilia V4 motors make huge horsepower, 175 horse plus. This bike has been upgraded front to back and ready to ride. Priced at $13,999 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out.